In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom rules to identify HubSpot duplicates, giving you a complete guide for 2025. This process will streamline your contact management and ensure your database remains clean and efficient. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're logged in with the right credentials so you have access to the features we'll be using today. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, let's start by heading over to the Contacts section. This is where all your contact magic happens, and it's essential for organizing and managing your contacts efficiently. Now, after you've clicked on Contacts, let's get a bit more specific. Here, you'll want to select either a name or a specific contact. This selection sets the stage for managing duplicates later on. Once you've chosen the contact you need, look towards the Actions button. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with several options that directly relate to managing your contacts. Among these options, you'll find Manage Duplicates. Go ahead and click on this feature. This tool is where all the magic happens, allowing you to set rules and identify duplicates. By focusing on this area, you'll optimize your contact list for future campaigns or just everyday cleanups. Next, look for the option to click on Contact Owner. This part of the process allows you to specify who is responsible for the contact, potentially sorting duplicates based on ownership. It's a small step, but it significantly affects how duplicates are managed. Once you've done that, click on the person's name that you selected earlier. In our guide, this was Sherry Lee Magsaline, but in your case, be sure to select the appropriate contact or contact owner relevant to your needs. Moving forward, click on the word contact once again. It's important because at this stage, it keeps the focus specific to the person or entity you're dealing with. Then, look for the contact owner entry, which will be followed by options like Lifecycle Stage. Clicking on these will give you further criteria for defining potential duplicates. Now, it's time to click on Create Date, which can help sort and manage how duplicates are organized based on when they were created. Following this, select Last Activity Date. This is particularly useful, as it allows you to identify contacts that might have been added multiple times or remain inactive in the system. Finally, you'll click on Discover Date. This option helps identify the most recent contacts added as duplicates through your integrated systems. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of creating custom rules to identify duplicates in HubSpot. Following these steps will not only help you maintain a tidy contact list, but enhance your overall data management strategy.